Okay, we're back to civilization. We just came from Lagoon Loop. No, we're going on Lagoon Loop. That was Burnt Bridge Trail. Bike in on Sugarloaf. Back in past the jumping bridge, which people are jumping off of today. It's quite the trail back here, actually. I speared myself with the mangrove on the Burnt Bridge Trail. Look, I'm bleeding. See? Did we bring a Band-Aid? Okay, I might need one later when I'm done filming. Nasty old mangrove got me. This is kind of a neat road here. Can no more drive back here than the man in the moon. But I guess at some point in its life, it must have been a road to go somewhere.
What?
This road we're on.
They were going to make a subdivision out of it.
Okay, I'm told it was going to be a subdivision. Ran out of money back in the 60s or 70s. Boy, they wouldn't run out of money today. I remember finding some horseshoe crabs over here. I remember finding some horseshoe crabs. Yeah. This is a pretty long trail. We went around it counterclockwise today, because we usually go clockwise. And we never been down this end of the Burnt Bridge Trail. So we went down there and had our lunch, and it was all good. And then I got speared by a mangrove tree on the way back.
I've got Band-Aids in my saddlebag.
Well, it wasn't nothing but a scratch, but it still hurt like a son of a gun. Ran into one of them things. Ouch.
Well, when they're cut off, they're shot.
Yeah, I know. That's what it was, too.
Put your damn eye out.
Somebody cut it off, and I ran into it. Yikes. Let that be a lesson. Don't do that again. I don't know if you can see the blimp. It's pretty much right straight up that white spot in the sky. That's at the end of Blimp Road on Cudjoe Key, which as the crow flies, probably ain't too awful far from here. 3 miles, 5 miles. There's Sugarloaf. Oh, look. High water mark. Wonder if that was from Ian. Gonna guess it was. I learned something new the other day. These sea grapes can be a tree or a bush.
They're edible.
Yep, they are good. I actually ate some when you can find them.
Yeah, you got to fight the birds for them.
Well, yeah. Back in the days of old, they made wine out of them.
They're actually protected. Don't you remember when a cross milk came out and our neighbors had one growing?
The sea grapes.
Yeah, and somebody cut it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not supposed to protect it.
I'm wondering how long this trail is. They should put some key deer out here. You know what?
They're probably here.
Bring them over from Big Pine. Yeah, this is a pretty long trail. Longer than I remember it. What was the name of this trail? You remember? I know the one was called the Burnt Bridge Trail. The Loop Trail. Something Loop. Jumping Bridge Loop.
See up here, we're almost
Getting to the end, you say?
yeah, it don't look much further.
I remember Irma did this.
Big ass circle.
Oh, I know. Goes around a big lake. Or bog, or whatever you want to call it. Now that's a trail, so I think you're right. There probably is some deer around here.
Oh, I'm sure there is. They just are hiding.
See, there's another trail. Oh, here comes a dog. I gotta move over a bit. Howdy. Okay, so far we are 17 miles into our ride. That's for today. That is a nice biking loop. Definitely was a road. You can see the markings. Oh, and here's the end. The end. Okay, we'll get to see what it was called, because we're almost back to the jumping bridge. We went down the Burnt Bridge Trail. We're gonna hit the exit, and it was called the Lagoon Loop. The Lagoon Loop. Ends at the jumping bridge. There's the easy way down right there.